We will be seen using the order of solving brackets. How we will be order of the solving brackets means first will be the common bracket, next we will be the flower bracket, next we will be the square bracket. So this we call it as in common bracket, this we call it as in curly or flower bracket, and this we call it as in square brackets. Okay, so we'll see now. 7 plus open the square bracket, 5 into open the flower curly bracket, 6 minus open the common bracket, 3 plus 2 minus 4, close all the common bracket, curly bracket and the square bracket. So first we want to solve this common. Next inside the common everything what you want you have to solve first. Then after remaining part you have to solve the flower bracket, then the common bracket, then the square brackets will come. So 7 plus 5 into open the flower bracket, 6 minus 5, 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 4, because first you have to do the addition, next we want to go to the subtraction. Then close all the brackets, then plus, that is equals to 7 plus open the square bracket, 5 into open the flower bracket, 6, 5 minus 4 minus as it is 5 minus 4 1, then close the flower bracket and the square bracket. Here we have removed the common bracket. Next we want to remove this, then 7 plus 5 into 6 minus 1 5, 5 5s are 25, 7 plus 25 is equals to 32. Next we will move to the second one. Open all the three brackets first, then 9 into 2 open the common, close the common bracket, then divided by 3, close the flower bracket, divided by 6, close the square bracket, into 89. Okay, next first this you have to solve. 9 2s are 18, 18 divided by 3, then close the flower bracket, divided by 6 into 89. Next open the square bracket, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, so when we divide 3 6 are 18, we got 6, 6 divided by 6 into 89, so 6 divided by 6 we got 1, 1 into 89 is equals to 89. Next we will see the third one. Open all the three brackets, 15 plus 3 into 2 divided by 7, close the flower bracket, plus open the common bracket, 10 minus 5, close the common bracket, close the square bracket, into 8 plus 2. So first you have to solve this. So open everything, then 15 as it is, plus 3 2s are 6. First you have to do the multiplication. 6 divided by 7, close the flower bracket, plus 5, close the square bracket, into 8 plus 2 is 10. Next 15 plus 6 will becomes 21. 21 divided by 7, close the flower bracket, plus 5 into 10. Next when we divide 7 with 21 divided by 7 will get 3. 7 3s are 3 7s are 21 or 7 3s are 21, plus 5 into 10. Then 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 into 10 is equals to 80. Have we got children now? Next we will move to the fourth sum. 16 plus 10 minus, open the, here it is open the square bracket, minus open the flower bracket, 7 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 common brackets, then close the flower bracket, plus 5 close the square bracket. 16 plus 10 minus open the square bracket, 10 minus open the flower bracket, 7 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 is 2, then close the flower bracket, plus 5, then close the square bracket. 16 plus open the square bracket, 10 minus open the flower bracket, 7 plus 2 2s are 4, close the flower bracket, plus 5. Next 16 plus 10 minus 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 5. Next we want to add these two numbers. 16 plus open the common bracket, square bracket, 10 as it is, minus 11 plus 15 is 16. 11 plus 5 is 16 we got. Next 16 minus 10 minus 16. So your greater sign is minus, greater number sign. So I have written here minus 6. So 16 minus 6 is equals to 10. Have you understood, children, now how to solve the problems? Thank you.